Hi guys, today we will be cooking Moong and Masoor dal. It's nice and simple to make and the dish is not only full of flavor but also full of protein and is super healthy. Ingredients: hot madras, curry powder, zeera, mix masala, turmeric, chili powder, chili, 10 cloves of garlic, 10 curry leaves, dill, tomato, 1 cup of orange dal, 3 spoons yellow dal. Method: add the onion and garlic and fry until lightly browned. Now, add both dal and mix them properly. After that, add the tomatoes, ginger, turmeric, chili and all other ingredients and mix in. Add dill as well. Add 3 cups of water and gently let the ingredients cook down to 10 to 20 minutes. When it's done, simply fry a few curry leaves with oil or ghee and add them to the dal. Now your dal is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.